Ready to face all challenges, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 comes with significant improvements that make it the king of all terrains. This vehicle not only offers strong performance, but also impressive comfort and advanced technology. Stunning exterior design. The exterior appearance of the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 reflects strength and elegance. With a larger front grille and sharp LED lights, this car looks aggressive but elegant. The exclusive Dakar body kit provides a sporty and aerodynamic impression, while the 20-inch wheels provide optimal grip in all road conditions. Stunning engine performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero Sport Dakar is equipped with a refined 2.4-liter MIVEC Turbocharged diesel engine. This engine is capable of producing 181 PS of power and 430 Nm of torque, ensuring responsive acceleration and extraordinary durability. The Super Select for WDI 4-wheel drive system allows the driver to switch between different drive modes according to road conditions, from smooth asphalt to challenging off-road terrain. Luxurious and functional interior. Entering the cabin, you will be greeted by a luxurious and functional interior. Premium leather seating with red stitching provides a sporty feel, while electric seat adjustment ensures maximum comfort for the driver and passengers. The modern dashboard is equipped with a 10.1-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, making travel more enjoyable with easy access to entertainment and navigation. Advanced safety technology. Mitsubishi doesn't mess around when it comes to safety. The 2025 Pajero Sport Dakar is equipped with advanced safety features such as the Forward Collision Mitigation System (FCM), Blind Spot Warning (BSW), and Rear Cross Traffic Alert (RCTA). All of these features work together to provide maximum protection to drivers and passengers, ensuring every journey is safe and secure. Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 is the perfect choice for those looking for the ideal combination of power, comfort, and technology. With a stunning design, reliable engine performance, luxurious interior, and advanced safety features, this SUV is ready to take you exploring any terrain with confidence. So, are you ready to go on an adventure with the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025?